Well, we're here to demonstrate peacefully against what is going on in Nigeria. Well, the world knows that in the last few months, there have been genocide against the Igbos and against the Christians. You know, the Nigerian government, led by Buhari, have never hidden his hatred for Christians and Igbos. So, the first of all, they sent in their herdsmen. They went to our bushes, raped our women, our girls, destroyed our farms. And when we tried to stop them, the government sent soldiers to help the herdsmen to overcome the villagers. Already in the north, in Niger State, in Benue State, those folks out there are very docile. They haven't got nothing, and yet they are being killed. When we, the Igbos, tried to resist, they said we are the problems. We never fired a shot. As we speak today, there are thousands of youth, boys, that have been rounded up and branded bandits. And they have been hauled into prison or are killed. You know, look at see what's going on there.
It's not shown on TV. It's not on any Western media. Come close and take a look.
First of all, we are here today to stop the bloodshed, the genocide, the killing. We want to stop that. We want to negotiate with the Nigerian government. We need a peaceful solution of Nigeria. That all the ethnic minorities will be able to freely and pay for themselves.
So what help do you need from the U.S. government?
We're so far to have a meeting that is yet to be scheduled with Dianne Feinstein, who is the foreign affairs to the U.S. government. We are visiting the Congress, the president. They all have our letters and our petition to peacefully dissolve Nigeria so we can have our Biafra and fend for ourselves. Nigeria has stifled growth for so many years. They hate the Igbos for nothing. We are so universal, we are very Republican, we are everywhere in the world. They hate us for our tenacity and for industrials.
Alright, thank you.
Stop the genocide. Stop the killings in Southeastern Nigeria. Stop the massacre of Christians in Nigeria. Call on Buhari to resign now.
So what are you doing here today?
Oh, we're protesting. We're trying to bring attention to what's going on in Biafra. Yeah. And in Southeast Nigeria generally. We just want to stop the killing.
So do you want Biafra as a country?
At this time, we are actually here mostly for the human rights. Let's settle the human rights first, and then we'll talk about the political aspects. So right now, for me, I'm here more for the human rights, and I want them to stop the killing.
Why are you here today, ma'am?
We're here to protect the killing in Southeast Nigeria.
Excuse me, can I talk to you? What's your name? What's your name? Okay, what are you doing here today? Alright.
Massacre. Stop the atrocities being committed on our people. The peace-loving Biafrans, peace-loving Igbo people, peace-loving native Nigerians. Encourage Nigerian government to stop supporting Boko Haram. Not fighting terrorism. Nigerian government is supporting terrorism. They're only killing innocent indigenous people. Stop the genocide. Help us stop the genocide. Stop the genocide that is going on right now by the government of Nigeria. Killing innocent people. closer. Take a look at some pictures and see the massacre. The atrocities committed. Innocent girls, pregnant women, the youth being killed anyhow. Help us, please. Thank you, I appreciate it. Join us in this Stop the Genocide campaign. Help us stop the Nigerian government from killing the people, committing genocide on indigenous people. Indigenous people are being massacred. Christians are being massacred every day. Christians are being killed as we speak right now. As we protest these killings, a lot of people are being kidnapped. The rape of innocent girls, married women. Help us. Call Congress. Help us. Meet your Biden so he can stop this genocide. Just like the start of the and it's very much. Help us stop this genocide that is going on in the southeast. Help us stop this genocide of indigenous people of the Alphas, indigenous and native people of Nigeria, all over Nigeria. Help us stop this genocide, stop the genocide, stop the genocide. The young, the innocent, our mothers, brothers and sisters, the young, everybody in Nigeria, we are all crying for help, praying for everybody to hear our voice. Crying now, help us, for our tomorrow is dying. We want to salvage our tomorrow today, so we can live forever. We can live among the people. We are these loving people, and now my people are being killed, massacred, the genocide being committed by the Nigerian government, the Buhari government. Please help us spread the news. Our people are dying. We are dying. We are dying. We need help. We need help. We are crying. Please, everybody help us. Our people are dying. The young are dying. Our kids are dying. Our mothers are in terror. Our old folks are in terror. We are dying. We need help. Please help us spread this news. Help us so our tomorrow will not die. We are here today to salvage our tomorrow. Please help us so we can live. We can live among the great. We are here, we have done well, and we will continue to do well. And we are the innocent people of even Americans and Nigerians who are peaceful people. You only ask what we do for us. We help us to spread the news. The Nigerian government are committing atrocities and killing our people, our innocents, the terrorism. Our people are in fear every day and everywhere. This is the time we need the help of the world. We are crying, our people are crying blood. Please help us. Stop the genocide. Stop the genocide that's going on. Stop the ongoing genocide. Queen, help us stop the genocide. Stop the genocide. Right of south. Right of south determination. These are civil rights of people elected in Nigeria. We want the world to pay attention. We want the world